Hi, I'm Masha Bennett. Today I would like to invite you to try some color breathing. This is a very simple technique which can be very effective for relaxation, calming, um, lifting up our mood. And all you do is you imagine a color. Let's start with your very favorite color. Whatever your most favorite color is, I'd like you to imagine breathing in that color. You can imagine it as beautiful, radiant light that you're breathing in. It can help to close your eyes, or you can do it with your eyes opened, in which case just lower your gaze slightly so that this video doesn't distract you. So imagine breathing in that beautiful colored light, your very favorite color, and all the qualities of that color that you enjoy. You're breathing those in with the color. And breathing out just normally and naturally. And as you breathe in that beautiful light in that special color, you can feel all the positive qualities of that color being absorbed into your being. And breathing out whatever is no longer needed. Just continue taking a few breaths with the beautiful light, your very favorite color. And just notice what it's like. So, having taken a few breaths in your favorite color, you can experiment with different colors. Try another color you like. Maybe going through all the colors of the rainbow, as well as the white, which is a combination of all the colors. So give it a go. If you find it a little bit challenging to visualize the color, you can actually use something, an object, like a scarf or colored piece of paper of that color you want to work with, and look at it as you breathe in and out. But let me know how you get on with it, and let me know if you like it. You can comment below this video, and take care and goodbye.